friends, and happy December. I am so super excited to be sharing my scrapbooking store kit with you today, and we are just going to jump right in. I know it's been a while since I've shared a full kit with you, so I thought since I'm doing videos this month, I would share this kit and share the layout that I'm going to make with it. So first off, this is the embellishment pack that you are going to be getting if you get the embellishment upgrade kit. So you get these Heidi Swapp Marquee Love icons. There are 15 of them in here. Then there's the Jolie's Boutique cute little stockings. And then this American Crafts Meggy printed chipboard letter stickers. So those are super cute and pretty and perfect. I'm going to also show you, I should have grabbed a piece of paper, but I'm going to show you these designs one by one. I thought they were super cute, and you know what? I don't have a marquee, so I think I'm going to just try to incorporate these into my December layout or my December daily, because I am doing December daily this year, which is kind of like insane because I haven't done very much scrapbooking this year. Life has just been kind of crazy and insane, and so I just really haven't had time to scrapbook a ton. But I am excited about December and the holiday, so I thought, why not spend the next month scrapbooking last year's Christmas and then also this year's Christmas. So if you didn't see, I did post a December 2020 introduction video, and I will link below to that after, and you can check that out after this video. So those are all of the little icons that you get. They're super cute, and I think they would work great just like a transparency. It would be super fun and kind of a different way to use this product. So that's totally the idea I'm going to run with. Okay, next up, I will pull out the paper. So we are using the Echo Park Paper Company collection called A Gingerbread Christmas. I don't know if it's going to focus. There we go. So I'm super excited about this. I absolutely love Christmas collections. I love Echo Park. Echo Park has quickly become one of my favorite companies for like seasonal themed layouts and kits and stuff. I absolutely love them. And then of course, Simple Stories, because who doesn't love Simple Stories? So this is what the kit looks like, and it comes with 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So that's what that is, and that's what all of these cute little stickers are. So first off, we're going to jump in and see all the papers. It's cute gingerbread houses, and then a very pretty red snowflake. This paper is called Houses. Then we have some 3x4s, and that one's super cute. I'm totally using that on a layout. And this one is so cute too. This one is called 3x4 journaling cards. Super cute Santa sleigh, milk and cookies, hot cocoa, Santa's hat, and reindeers. And then a nice green pattern on the back. I don't know if you guys can really see that with my lighting. It's kind of throwing it off, but it's a nice deep dark green. This one is called Cookies for Santa. Then we have a nice black with white snowflakes and then the candy stripe. This one's called Snowflakes. Then we have some more cut aparts. I love this. These are the tags, and then you've got a 4x6, two 3x4s. I think this is a 3x3, and then like a 1.5x3 or something like that. Maybe a 2x3. Oops. And then cute little Christmas trees on the back here. This one is called multi-journaling cards. Very creative, right? Keep it simple. This one's super fun. I love the writing and the cursive and the different handwritings. And then we've got holly on the back. So we have this paper called Holiday Cheer. Then some fun gingerbread men and a nice deep red. And it just has some dots on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. This one is called Gingerbread. I love this paper. This is super fun. Like, this would be fun just to be like an accent card or page or something, with all the candy on it. And then a nice deep green. This one's called Candy Toss. Oops, sorry. Then we've got some 3x3s. And this, or 4x4s, sorry. Yeah, 4x4s. I don't know why I said 3x3s. So 4x4s, and this one's called 4x4 journaling cards. This is super cute. I love that back. Then we have some poinsettias and a nice gingham plaid check. Poinsettia, and it's actually called poinsettia. You spell it poinsettia, but it's pronounced poinsettia. I hate it when people pronounce words wrong. I'm just like, yeah, sorry, that's not how that's pronounced. I know, English is weird, but that's not how it's pronounced. This one's called Kitchen Magic. Then you've got 4x6s, and then 2x2s down here on the bottom. Super cute. I love this little Santa. Look at how adorable he is. And then that snowman, holy crap. And then this one is called 4x6 journaling cards. And it's got a pretty, I think these are supposed to be snowflakes, but like gingerbread at the same time, maybe? Who knows? And then we have the Amazing Elements stickers. I love these sheets of stickers. They are so much fun to incorporate to any layout or kit or pocket page, whatever. So I am super excited. I'm sure you will see this kit being used in my December daily this year. So I am going to hop to it and start making my December daily album for this year, and hopefully tune in and see my layout in a couple weeks. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.